Okay, so we are at the subway in China. See, you can look down there, and there's the train.
Nice.
I mean, not the train track.
Here it comes.
And here it comes.
Okay, and where are we going from?
Also, I mean, whoa.
Where are we coming from, Teach?
There's Charmian Island.
Charmian
and there's
Island?
the train.
And where are we going to?
Our hotel.
Our hotel. Right on. On which line, do you know?
Line number 1.
Okay,
All right. Everybody on.
here we
Line
go.
on. Find a spot.
Find a spot, hold on. Oh, nice and cool.
Nice. Not there.
Oh yeah, not bad. Well, thank you. You guys can sit down. Do you want to?
Sit down, guys.
Sit down.
People are getting up for you.
People are getting up for the grandmas.
For the grandmas, Owen.
For the grannies.
Stand up.
For the grannies. How thoughtful was that? That was so
Look at
thoughtful.
our line there. We're going to.
Okay. We're about to move, I think.
Oh, yeah.
Gong, guang, guang.
It's how many stops? Do you remember?